Women's History Month. Phenomenal Woman, poem by Maya Angelou. Pretty women wonder where my secret lies. I am not cute or built to suit a fashion model size. But when they start to tell them, they think I'm telling lies. I say, it's in the reach of my arms, the span of my hips, the stride of my steps, the curl of my lips. I'm a woman, phenomenally, phenomenal woman. That is me. I walk into a room just as cool as you please, and to a man the fellows stand or fall down to their knees. Then they swarm around me, a hive of honeybees. I say, it's the fire in my eyes and the flash of my teeth, the swing in my waist and the joy in my feet. I'm a woman, phenomenally, phenomenal woman. That is me. Men themselves have wondered what they see in me. They try so much, but they can't touch my inner mystery. When I try to show them, then they say they still can't see. I say, now you understand just why my head's not bowed. I don't shout or jump about or have to talk real loud. When you see me passing, it ought to make you proud. I say, it's the click of my heels, the bend of my hair, the palm of my hand, the need for my care. 'Cause I'm a woman, phenomenally, phenomenal woman. That is me. Thanks for listening. Hope you enjoyed this presentation.